What's up guys, welcome back to AV Geek 147. Today we're flying on China Eastern from PEK to SHA. Like always, let's get our travel on. Here we are standing outside the airport looking at the control tower. Today we are going to the domestic departures terminal. We're doing this because we are going to Shanghai. This is inside one of the check-in areas. Once we passed through security, we were greeted by this awesome Boeing 777. I was able to get into this lounge because of Priority Pass. They did not sponsor this video as I paid for Priority Pass. You would normally not be able to get into this lounge with an economy ticket on a different airline. Thank you for understanding. Welcome to the entrance of the China Southern Premium Lounge. When you walk in, there is a cart with drinks on it to your right. If you didn't notice, there was a Model A380 at the bottom of the cart. There were also two Model A380s to your top right. There was also a TV-like thing that showed pictures of China Southern airplanes. When you walked into the lounge, if you turn left, this was your drinks and noodles. When you walked into the lounge to your right, you had more food options. They had purple potatoes, dumpling-like things, and yam. Then there was also like ham and vegetables. In the same room, there was a massage chair. I did not get any footage of it because there was somebody that sat in it the whole entire time. This lounge gave us a VIP bag. It had some amenities in it that I'll show you. I walked outside to find it sunny and to see this China Eastern A330. There was also a China Southern A380, a real one this time, not just a model. So here's that 777 I showed you, and this is what it turned into. Boom! That's pretty cool. We are about to go board the airplane. Because we are on a bus, we are at ground level, I just wanted to show you a bunch of the pretty big airplanes that I took pictures of and that I got to see. Here we are about to board our 737 for China Eastern. These two airplanes are parked next to our China Eastern 737. These are China Southern 737. When I say we were underneath the runway, we were literally underneath the runway. Here we are boarding our China Eastern 737. That is the runway. Welcome back. It says welcome in English and then something in Chinese. Only first class seats have TVs on this airplane. I just wanted to say sorry for all the backpack views. So here we are in our seat, we're looking at our tray table, it's a decent size for economy. Then there was this cup holder thing that I don't know what to do with it. I couldn't get it to come down. It was like it was stuck to the tray table. This is an economy seat. So surprisingly, they did serve us food. There was noodles and chicken and some things that tasted like sushi. There was yogurt, some fruit, and some crackers. The crew came around to give us a blanket. In economy, I was pretty shocked. Not like the US airlines. And a pillow too? It was pretty nice. Just wanted to give you a little look around the cabin before we came in for a landing. Coming up for descent, I took some pictures. There's pretty cool views coming in on the city of Shanghai. want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Be sure to be on the lookout for my next and up-and-coming videos so that you stay in the know at what happens over here at AVP 247. Thank you and have a good day.